सेपसमा लिएर यसको कन्ट्रोभर्सी चलिरहेछ।
Welcome to Darjeeling, where we don't just eat momo or thukpa. We eat chindey, or the young green shoots we forage, grow, or pick up from local markets. In the hills, this isn't something exotic, it's something we grew up with. Our people knew exactly what was healthy long before the existence of terms like organic or superfood. They understood the land, the seasons, which greens to trust and pass on. Some of us remember working through forests or fields, learning what to forage and what to leave behind. Cooked as sabji or boiled and prepared simply as a chars, it doesn't require complex processes or ingredients. For every Nepali household, chindey isn't a trend, it's an inheritance.
राम्रो गर्नु नभत्काउनु पनि भन्दै थियो अरे तर कसले अर्पण सरले जान्ने मिरा बस्के माटोले ठोक्छ माटो राख्ने माटो ढुङ्गे माटो राख्ने